Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. As you can see that I have created this beautiful orangey sunset eye look over here, and for that I have used just 3 colors from Morphe Jaclyn Hill Eyeshadow Palette. With a few tricks and a little practice, it is not at all difficult to create. So without delaying it further, let's get started. To begin with, I need a clean base for my eyeshadows to pop up. So I'm applying concealer all over my eyelids and blend it with the help of a concealer brush. You can also use a beauty blender. Now using this small tapered pencil brush, I will apply this dark brown shade in a semicircle like this and making sure that it doesn't go above crease. Right now I'm just packing the color and not blending it. I'll keep adding the color till I'm happy with the color intensity. Now I'm using a small fluffy brush and pick this orangey brown shade and start diffusing the edges. This way I get a smooth transition from orange to a brown color. You have to keep in mind that such precise looks doesn't happen in one go. You have to keep going back and forth with the colors. Now while blending, the dark brown color diffused a little, so I'm again adding that shade, as this is going to be my crease shade and will add to the depth of this eye look. As I said, back and forth, again softening the edges with that orangey brown shade. Now using this tiny mini brush, I'm picking up this yellow shade and start blending the edges of orange shade, and I promise this is the last transition color. This gave me a nice sunset effect, like yellow to orange to brown. Now to cut my crease, I'm using this Q-tip to remove any makeup that is on my lid with the help of a micellar water or makeup remover. This gave me a nice and clean canvas to place eyeshadows on my lid. With the help of this flat brush and a concealer, I'll start cutting my crease very slowly. I first place the concealer on my lid area, and then whatever is remaining on the brush, I'll start creating boundaries like this with a very light strokes. Now I join all the strokes like this, and I'll also apply this concealer on the edges of my outer corner to get a clean look. Now that the concealer might have been applied over the crease area, so I'm deepening up this color with the help of a flat brush. If you have a liner brush, that would work even better. Now I'm using that small brush and picking up the yellow color and start applying on my lid from the inner corner all the way to the middle. This small brush really helped me to put the color very precisely, making sure that it doesn't go above the crease color. Now going back to that small fluffy brush, I'll pick that orange color and start placing it between the yellow and the brown color. Again, just placing the color, not blending it yet. Now again taking this small brush and blending the edges of both yellow and orange color. I'll deepen up the orange color till I'm happy with the color payoff. Keep doing it. Place the color, blend the edges. Place the color, blend the edges. Now I'm deepening up this dark brown shade on the outer corner and a little bit on the crease to give a depth to my eye look. Now you see what I was saying? Now I'm using this small pencil brush to apply this dark brown shade on my lower lash line. I'll also join it with the outer corner to combine the look together. Now I'm applying this yellow shade on the inner corner of my lower lash line. I'm going to create a wing liner with the help of Sugar I Told You So Smudge Proof Eyeliner. I think this is the easiest way to apply a wing liner. I have a separate tutorial on it. I will link that above so that you can check that out. Now I'm using this Plum Nature Studio Kajal to apply on my waterline and the upper lash line. Now I'm smudging the Kajal with the same brown shade so that it gives a smoky effect. Now I'm using this white shimmer shade to highlight my brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes. Finish off the look, I'm applying the Colorbar Lash Illusion Mascara. It is one of my favorite mascara. It really gives a nice volume and length to your eyelashes and makes it look really natural but thick. I have very thin lashes and it works perfectly for me. Next step is optional, but for a dramatic look, I'm applying this PAC Mink eyelashes in M72. And this is the final look, you guys. Beautiful, dreamy sunset eye look. It wasn't that difficult to create, was it? Don't worry, you be with me and I will teach you how to create many more eye looks in the easiest possible ways. So if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I love you guys so much. Bye.